Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today I have a quick video for you. It is a new product. It was just sent to me by the Milano Collection company. It's their latest invention. It is a wig grip, a lace wig grip. It's for your full lace wigs. I have it on today and I have to tell you guys I'm so excited about this. First of all, I want to thank the Milano Collection company for reaching out to me to ask me to do their lace wig grip. I am absolutely excited by it. I've had it on all day now, guys. I absolutely love it. It is undetectable and it allows your lace wigs to lie extremely flat. It's like it's not even there. Before I read that, guys, just let me just kind of lift this up a little bit and show you what I am talking about. Look at this, guys. This is the band part. This right here. Now that light band, head cap that you see, that's my wig cap underneath there. But I'll show you what everything looks like. But this is what it looks like under the wig. So as I read the instructions, I'm going to show you what it looks like just before I put it on. This is the Milano Collection, the original Lace Wigrip Comfort Band. It says, fasten your lace wig securely and create a seamless hairline transition. Absolutely, it's seamless. Can you even tell it's there? You can't tell it's there. I can't even tell it's there. It's this is incredible. It says secure lace wigs into place. This wig is into place. It is not going to move. It is not moving. It just works the same way as the original bands work. This hair is not coming off. It's not. Look, it didn't even move in the front. It says eliminate adhesives and fasteners, you know, like wig clips or combs or maybe even your favorite adhesive. It says protects your edges, eliminates headaches, guys, because the band is adjustable, so you don't have to make it, it's not like a one size or you slip it on and it's really tight. You adjust the band to where it feels comfortable for you. Seamless hairline and parting. So this is my parting that I got today, and it is seamless. You can't even see where my lace ends underneath this. Adjustable, one size fits all. Because it's adjustable, it is one size fits all. My head circumference is 21.5. I do, when I order lace wigs, I just tell them I wanted 22 circumference to accommodate for my natural hair. I have a lot of my own natural hair underneath this. I might even insert a photo of my natural hair. Exciting wig accessory line. This multi-purpose lace wig grip creates a seamless hairline and part transition while protecting your natural hair. I discovered the original wig grip band back in 2015 and I did my video on it. This is the original one, guys. I still use this from 2015. I still use it. All I do, guys, I don't put them in the washing machine. I just hand wash them in my basin in the bathroom with a little bit of detergent, mild detergent, and I just rinse them clean and I hang them to dry. After that, in 2015, it could have been maybe the same year, the Milano Collection saw that video and they reached out to me and asked me to enjoy using the black one. So this is the band, and let me just get to the lace because that's what we're here for, this lace. Look at that lace. It's nice, it's sheer, it feels like it has nice texture to it. It has a little bit of weight, but it's not thick. It's not thick, and it does lay flat. I don't know if I can show you how flat that will lay, but I'll show you that on my head. Now, like I said, I've worn it before, so it does have a little bit of foundation transfer from my wig. I usually use a little bit of my face powder, my foundation powder in the cap, or on the lace of my wig rather, and so there's been some transfer, but that actually added to the fact that it looks like it's melting into my scalp. That melted look that you guys love to achieve when you wear a lace wig. Matches my skin tone really, really nicely, and that's because of the face powder. So, I mean, I love that. I love that. Now, with this, you don't have to use a glue to hold it down. There's no need for that. But if you wanted to, you can. But I'm telling you, you would be gluing down your lace wig and the wig grip. So I don't know if you want to do both. I'm not going to do both. I don't think there's any need to do both. So whichever way you want to wear your part, whether you're wearing a center part or a side part, you definitely want to make sure that the lace is laying in the area where you want to part. So I know I want to wear my part in this area right here, So I'm just going to, now I'm just going to Velcro it into place. And as you can see, I'm placing it behind my ear. And I'm going to raise it up just a little bit because I like my lace wigs to lay at my natural hairline. I don't like it to lay forward on my forehead. I like it to lay at my natural hairline, which is what I'm doing now. Let me just see if I can get in and show you. This lace band is laying at my natural hairline, making sure I get it behind my ears. Now this is how I wear it, guys. And now I'm going to Velcro it into place, and I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'll try to use one hand to get it Velcroed. And you could make it as loose or as snug as you like, depending on your comfortability. But this is the way I like it. I like it to fit a little snug without pulling. And I like my wig grip to be behind my ears. And yeah, so let me just get that under there. So that's how that looks. I love the way that looks. Okay, so here's my wig I have, and I just wanted to show you the transfer that I had originally got on my lace here came from my wig, because I usually put a little bit of face powder on my wig lace. It looks brown. That's from face powder. I just take my face powder, my sponge, and I just kind of just tap that powder in there just a little bit, just to tint the lace to my skin tone. So I'm going to put my wig on, and we're going to see what this looks like. Guys, I feel this thing gripping my wig already. It's really snug. So I'm just going to lift up my wig, and I'm not going to use my combs. The only comb I used was the one in the back. So now I'm just going to get it into place where the opening, where the lace is right here. So I'm going to take my lace wig and lay it right on top of the lace wig grip. And this is really flat. Matter of fact, I don't even feel it. It feels like it's natural, like it always felt before I used this. I've had this on all day, and I have to say it feels just like the original wig grip, except right here in the area where I part my wigs, it is extremely flat to my head, as if I had no band on. Now, the one thing I have to tell you guys, if you like to adhere the sides of your lace down, you may still have to do that, because this grip, this lace grip, or any of the other wig grips, they don't adhere your sides. So if you're wearing a lace wig, like I wear lace wigs all the time, and only on special occasions, if I'm going out for the evening, will I apply a little bit of adhesive around the edge here and just kind of adhere it down. But just for regular going out, I'm just going to hang out with my husband, we're doing something, it's just the both of us, I don't worry about adhering down the sides. But again, I'm telling you, if that's something you think you need to do for yourself, you just may want to just put a little bit of a adhesive, whatever your favorite adhesive is, and you just may want to just stick down your sides, get them stuck down, and then maybe just leave the top alone. Especially if you have a lot of thinning at your top, you may not want to use adhesive there along the top part of your hairline. I know that a lot of people suffer from hair loss with adhesive, so I mean, you know, you may want to just consider that. But anyway, guys, I absolutely love this. I want to thank the Milano Collection company for reaching out to me. I want to thank you so much for sending me this lace wig grip. I absolutely love it. I just absolutely love it. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Take care of yourselves, stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.